Those fucking things, they're. You know what? When I go on YouTube and just get some fucking wind chime sounds for all you dumb cunts out there who do yoga, and actually think that these fucking things sound good. Here we go. Wind fucking chimes. YouTube. Let's see what we got. Here we go. Yeah, because somebody fucking loves them so much they put up a video. Here we go for all you cunts out there. Here it is.
Wind chimes. Ancient Wind Society. Dirty Shore Chronicles.
I gotta admit, those are nice.
Copper color, brown bomber. Walk through the badlands in bronze armor. Feel God's karma. Make moves like Black Mamba. Cultivating marijuana, stick to the code of honor. I'm a soldier, a scholar, a Noah, a father. Spit hot lava, elevate my chakra. Phantom of the opera, Kuna Matata. Rule like Mufasa, Dirty Sword Symphony, Ancient Wind Saga. Don't do drama, say that for the queens. West Craven nightmares, I haunt your dreams. Automatic flow, clip full with 16s. Infinite bars, Mr. Rip laser beams. Throwing sharp razors, cut through your team. Respect the Elohim, releasing some steam. Knee deep in the green, we on the streets and in between. In the cut behind the scenes, robbing the rich and taking they cream. Beefing with the beast from the belly of the east. Jersey Shore Navasink chief. No justice, no peace. We don't trust police. Ain't no love in the streets.
You know what the great thing is they're made out of metal, so when you rip them off, you have a fucking blunt object to beat your neighbor to death with. That's what you do, and then you dip it in fucking peroxide or bleach, and you hook it back up again. Let those A&E cunts figure out that murder.
A man murdered on his porch.
Somehow they find, a fucking, I don't know, an eighth of an inch of his face imprint on that fucking wind chime.
Swinging swords move through the wind, grab mics, now spilling out the mic cord like 80 proof gin. Travel across the galaxies in lyrical form, slaying those that betrayed the culture and claim to be king. In heavy poetry cipher, shattered glaciers of ice. Slice through your Gore-Tex jacket material, chopping the heads off of serpents when the guillotine swings. The commercial rap music devils is throwing green lassos to trap you in. The mind of the ignorance can never win. Take out your troops, spitting daggers penetrate through your bubble goose. Stomping through the beat with a lyrical army, bloody up your platoon. Over rugged instrumental loops, the mind is the golden eye where all the information spills. Splashing lyrical thoughts on the seeds of the culture to strengthen the roots. You can have the money and fame, I just want to see hip-hop grow and rise. Slice through your lies, expose fake eyes. The truth spreads across the globe. The devil's face is no longer disguised. Seek revenge, grab mics with fire in my eyes. You uncivilized, when you die, your spirit is gonna fry. While my soul's gonna enter ancient skies. I'm on a higher power, walking through the universe, dominating the culture on the lyrical battlefield. Last soldier, speaking the truth, never front on my peoples until my last times and days is over.
He's got a kitchen knife between his teeth like a fucking pirate. What would I do? I've probably taken 12 karate classes in my life, and they've all been like, 6 years apart. Fucking guy coming and fillet me. This isn't fair. This guy's got he's got the professional grade level ones. These things look like the exhaust on a goddamn... Oh, that's giant wind chimes. All right, I just learned something. I don't mind giant wind chimes.